Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get cat blocks forever in Scratch. So let's begin. So first of all you need Scratch add-ons. You can just go to scratchaddons.com, then click on install for Chrome, click on add to Chrome and this will be there. And then you can just click on this puzzle piece icon and just choose your Scratch add-ons and then you can click on it, go to add-ons, then more settings and you have to type cat blocks in the search bar. After that you will get this cat blocks thing. You just have to enable this and go to Scratch Online Editor. You can reload the page and you can see this works, but it will work only in Scratch Online Editor. Thanks for watching. If you learned anything from this video, then like and subscribe for more informative content.